If you're seeing ants in your house, there's a good chance they're not just wandering around. They're following the scent trails back and forth to the food and then taking it back to the colony. With EcoVenger Ant and Insect Killer, you can spray directly on active ants for a fast kill, then treat the areas where they're traveling, such as baseboards, around doors, the windows, patios, and other entry points. The goal is not just to kill the ants that you see, it's to break up their foraging trails and stop more ants from coming in. This helps disrupt the activity leading back to the colony. If you're treating a fire ant mound, do not just spray the top and hope that fixes it. Fire ants live deep down inside the mound, so you want to get the product deeper into it. You need to get the queens who live in the deepest parts of the mound. Once you kill the queen, you kill the colony and their way of life. To start out, take a rod and poke down into the mound about 3 to 6 inches, or deeper if the mound is larger. The size of the mound really matters because the bigger the mounds, the deeper it can go, and the more spread out it is underground. Depending on the mound size, you may have to make more than one hole during treatment. Once you make the openings, use the sprayer to soak directly into the hole so that the product gets farther down into the mound where the ants and the queens actually live. Then after that, soak the top of the mound and the entire area around it too. The whole point is simple. You're not just trying to kill the ants running around on top. You're trying to push the treatment deeper into the mound so you can hit more of the colony. EcoVenger Ant and Crawling Insect Killer kills and repels house ants and fire ants. It's biodegradable and eco-friendly. It disrupts ant pheromone trails and has an extended effectiveness. It's also child and pet safe for use indoor and out.